Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating the horizontal layout from Heather at 𝗟𝗡𝗞. This is the planner that I use for daily blurbs and family journaling for each member of my family. If you'd like to see exactly how I use this planner in January, I do have a flip through of all my planner video on my channel, so you can check that out. Today we're going to use some new stickers that just released in my shop. These are called Farm Days, and they are so cute, adorable. Trying to decide if I want to use the large sheets or the small sheets. I think we're going to start with the large sheets, and I'm going to put, of course, some florals up at the top. And I think we may kind of angle that like that and then use this piece to go that way maybe. Let's just kind of see what we end up with. I've been like, the last two videos I filmed, I cut my pages and made them wonky when I was trying to cut stickers off. But we know how I roll, and I don't cut straight or anything fun like that. So why don't we try to take this one and lay it here, and then we'll take this, since there's a lot of greenery here, and lay it over top so that we have a continual little situation there. All right, now down here at the bottom, I really want to use this adorable tree, and we're going to use the small sheet to put a little tractor beside it. And I think we're going to attempt to not have to cut much off of this sticker. We're going to just kind of put the whole sticker there, because why not? And let's see. Let's grab the small sheet, and I want my little tractor to go right down here, and we'll just have it parked like under the tree. It's so fun. It's so fun and so cute. I am definitely going to use the cows, because hello, cows are adorable. I think maybe let's take a fence and put a fence right here on Friday. Going to cover up a little bit of Saturday, but I'm not going to panic about that. And then we're going to put a couple little animals here. A little chickie. Look how so cute. All right, we're going to stop there, and we're going to put this little cute little picnic scene down here. And we may put the other chicken down here with that, because why not? Chickens can have picnics too, right? All right, I definitely want to use a cow. So we're going to take this cow and place her right over here, because she is adorable. And I think we're going to take a little piggy and put with her, because he is adorable too. So fun. And then we're going to do a cow over on this side too, somewhere. Maybe. Maybe not. Why don't we do a goose? Let's do a goose and a little piggy. We need the pig to be kind of the same size as the goose. Those are best friends. And what else can we do? We need something here. So why don't we use do I want the basket of strawberries? I think we're going to use the little pail. And maybe the watering can. So we'll put the pail here. And the watering can beside it. It's going to kind of cover up the pink bow, but it's okay. All right, this is adorable. Now let's lay down some boxes. Yeah, let's do some boxes from the kit. Trying to see if there's anywhere that I can use my favorite stickers. And I don't think I'm going to be able to use them, but it is okay if we don't use them. I think we're going to just do boxes. And I think I might stick to the solid colors for this spread. So maybe just kind of stagger some boxes. Kind of like that. And then maybe 2 here. I got to make sure I have enough boxes to do what I want to do here. So maybe like that and like this. Okay, that's cute. And then let's kind of do something similar over here. Green and pink. Except we're going to start this way and go this way. And then maybe some here. So let's go maybe here. And then some here. All right, I love this. And then we're going to go back to some cute little decor and just kind of fill in around these boxes with some things. And I definitely want to use this adorable little basket of strawberries. And maybe the hay bale over here. This is so fun. And then I think I do want to use my little bows, of course. I need something to go here. So decisions. I think I'm going to take this. I think this is probably honey. Okay. And then could I put something here? Maybe not. Let's take, this is probably strawberry milk. I don't know. That's what we're going to call it. Strawberry milk. Yeah, there's a little strawberry in there. And put those 2 there. All right, let's just put a couple of these pink bows in here. Probably use the small ones. We're going to put them on the green boxes. Trying to decide what I want to do here. Okay. All right, so we got chickens, we got a goose, a pig. I need another goose on this side. So we're going to put a little goose here under the tree. She's about big as the tree, but it's okay. All right. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to do any of the scallop washi this time, but I certainly am going to use my adorable stamps. And I think we're going to do them over here. Because why not? All right, look how cute that is. And this did not take, what, 10 minutes? It's just so easy to use my kits. They are so easy to use. And look, I have so much left over. I can decorate multiple spreads. Like if you use multiple planners like I do, I have 3 layouts that I use each week. I could decorate with just these stickers from my shop. I could decorate 3 planner spreads. So definitely win-win. And if they're 50% off, you just can't beat that. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I think it's super fun and super cute. I'm ready for spring. It is cold here. We had snow yesterday. It's just blah. I want some sunshine and spring in my life. All right, so don't forget, Treat Yourself Tuesday is next week on the 10th. We will have it on the 17th and the 24th. So each Tuesday in February, you can purchase new releases in my shop 50% off at SoGracefullyBroken.com. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I do hope you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, that's it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.